Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix the crashing problem while playing your Sons of the Forest game. I will show you the 7 methods to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. Our first method is that you have to just open your run box by pressing Window plus R at once and here search for the prefetch and then click OK. So after opening this interface, you will find a lot of the junk files here. I have already deleted them, so you have to just select all of these files and then delete all of these files. Don't worry, no essential file is here as these are the temporary junk files. So after completing this process, you have to just again open your run box and then search here for the temp and then press OK. And allow the administrator to do this action. For this, click on the continue and here you will find a lot of the junk files. Then you have to just select all of these files by pressing Ctrl A and then right click here and then click on the delete. Note one thing, that if any file is not deleting and interrupting to delete, then you have to just leave these files and then click on the skip. So doing so, you have to just complete this deleting process and you have to just close this window and again open your run box, and now this time you have to just search here for the percentage temp percentage and then press OK. Basically we have to just remove all of the corrupted files from our console or PC or laptop for avoiding this crashing issue in our Sons of the Forest. So just search here for percentage, 10%, and at this interface you have to just repeat the process. Select all of the corrupted files and then click on the delete and delete these all files from here. If any file interrupt to delete, then you have to just leave this. And now after completing this process, you have to just close this window and then right click on your recycle bin and delete all of these files from here as well. After completing this process, you have to just restart your device one time. After restarting, you have to just relaunch your game and this time your problem will be fixed. In the second solution, you have to just open the Steam library and basically you have to just verify the integrity of your game files. For this, right click on the Sons of the Forest and then click on the properties and then click on the local files and click on the verify integrity of the game files. And the third method is that you have to just click on the generals and here uncheck the first option, enable the Steam chemistry on your game. Moving to our fourth solution, you have to just open your settings and here you have to just click on the system, and after this select for the about option in the left menu and then click on the advanced system settings and this pop-up window will open for you. Then click on the advanced option and then click on the settings. Basically it is for to increase your visual memory of your laptop or PC. Doing so, your crashing problem of Sons of the Forest will be resolved. So now again click on the advanced option and then click on the change, and at this pop-up window you have to just uncheck the first option, automatically manage, and here select for the drive where your game is located and then click on custom size and set here the MB size that is compatible with your system and then click on the set and click OK. Doing so, you have to just restart your PC one time. After restarting your PC, your crashing problem will be resolved. Now moving to our fifth method, you have to just open your run box and then search here for the devmgmt.msc and then click OK. So basically you have to just update your graphic card drivers. For this, just click on the display adapter here and expand it. Then right click on this graphic driver and then click on update driver. Doing so, you have to just click on the search automatically for driver and it will start for searching your driver, and then you have to just search for your driver and then update it. After doing so, your problem will be fixed. Going to our sixth method, which is so simple that you have to just restart your system. For some users this method also works, then you have to just try this and don't ignore this step as well. If the problem persists, then you have to just check your internet connection and try to change the network connection. If you are using the Wi-Fi, then you have to just reset your modem, and after rebooting your modem you have to just relaunch your game and your problem will be fixed. Last final solution is that you have to just uninstall your game and reinstall it. After doing so, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's all for this video. For more information you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. Leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.